Thank you for purchasing SpyderX. To begin setup and installation, unpack the contents of the box, which includes the welcome card with software download link, SpyderX colorimeter, and serial number underneath. Go to the software download link and choose your software model, Pro or Elite, and operating system, Windows or Mac. To install the software, double-click on the downloaded installer file and follow the prompts until installation is complete. When you see a message that the software was successfully installed, click Quit. To begin, plug the Spyder USB cord into an available USB port on your computer. Launch the Spyder software you just installed. For Mac, double-click the Spyder app file located in your Datacolor Applications folder. For Windows, double-click the Spyder icon on your desktop. After reading the welcome screen, click OK. Enter the Spyder software serial number. Next, choose your preferred method of activation, either auto or manual. Then, fill in your personal information. The software is now being activated. When software activation is complete, your unique Spyder license code will appear on screen. This unique license code will also be sent to you in an activation email. Be sure to save your license code, as you will need it for future reference if you need to contact Datacolor Spyder Support Department or to reinstall the software. Click Finish to complete the activation. You will be asked whether you'd like to let the software automatically check for software updates. We recommend you click Yes to ensure you always have the latest version of the Spyder software. To help us continually improve Spyder software, click Yes to allow the software to anonymously share with us your calibration data and error messages. You are now ready to perform your first Spyder monitor calibration.